This is the Imou robot vacuum cleaner with automatic dirt disposal. This is the unboxing video. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's see. It's from this side. L11 Imou looks good for now. Okay, so it comes off very easy. Now let's see. Yeah, looking good. So what do we have in the package? A quick starter guide. Useful, always. This is probably legal and regulatory information. What this might be. Comes very well sealed. It's fine. This is very soft on the feel. Okay, so this is comes with two patties. One of them is already tucked in on the vacuum, and the other one is a replacement or a spare or a substitute. Good. What else do we have? It's very well protected, I think. Yeah, this is neat. We have one main body. This is the main body. This is the bottom part. Let's see how it looks. It's taking me some time. Okay, let's see. So this is the bottom part. So I suppose these we need to carefully put below, so we can pull this thing off and peel it. Okay, very well. So this is the bottom part. Let me turn it around. This is the robot itself, Imou. Looks very well balanced actually. I like it. I still haven't peeled it off. Let's leave the peeling off for later. What else do we have? Ooh, a lot more patties. What's this? 2, 4. It's about 10 patties more. I think for different occasion. What do we have here? Let me see. Very well packaged, I think. Ah, this is one vacuum holder for the dirt. Here we have this, and this I should turn around. And what else do we have here? Oh, we have a spare one of the same. Yes, it's actually absolutely the same, but they do have spares, which I like. Another cushion carton. What else do we have in the box? I think that's it, and this is the upper body, no? Let's see. Okay, give me a second. Okay, this is the dock station, I think. Sorry for the zoomed in view, but I don't have a holder. Okay, this is the side. Yeah, it's a dock station, looks very neat. This is the cable. I guess this is where the vacuum cleaner goes home. And that will probably conclude our unboxing video. This is all you need to have in your kit. It's very sturdy actually. It's not cheap at all. It's very sturdy. Looks good. This is the station. That's how it looks. that concludes our video. Thank you for your attention.